Hi, I'm Stephanie Graves with IMT Residential, and I've been with Apartment Home Living since they entered the Houston market. The results at all of our properties nationwide have really far surpassed my expectations, and I think it's a great not only advertising source but a marketing tool.
I just want to say I love Apartment Home Living. We have so much traffic just every day. It's unbelievable and I love it. So thank you so much.
I love the digital brochures.
We had to do an emergency blitz for one of our properties that was struggling, and it really helped make that a success.
They're awesome and great and I love them. Mwah.
My favorite thing is it's very interactive. My leasing consultants can actually go on your website, pull all the information, all of the referrals, and give them calls immediately and correspond with anyone that's interested in our property.
What I like most about Apartment Home Living is that it's easy and it's accessible.
I love it. In fact, as a professional speaker and trainer, I have recommended Apartment Home Living to many of my clients.
It's very friendly, it's easy to maneuver, and it's easy to print out everything.
I love Apartment Home Living.
We've definitely had a positive response, particularly to the digital brochures we sent out. Ever since Apartment Home Living integrated the feature where you could actually customize the brochure, change out the verbiage and the photos to suit the needs of the particular property, we've seen a good positive reaction to the brochures.
The digital brochure is fabulous.
My favorite thing about Apartment Home Living is it's where we get the main source of our leads online.
My name is Steve Ross. I'm with Bob Ross Realty, and I've had the opportunity to work with Apartment Home Living, and I find their services great. The leads that are generated through their website is just perfect, and I recommend everybody to try their service.
Apartment Home Living makes my life easier.
We love Apartment Home Living!